homes with high traffic and busy public spaces, how do you protect your stuff? It's impossible to keep watch over every private door in a public-facing space, making it difficult to look after your belongings. Is this the best way to protect sensitive documents? There is a better solution. Introducing Code Handle, the convenient way to keep the public out. It's hard to remember to lock the door every time you leave. With Code Handle auto-locking, you no longer need to worry. 4 digits separate your personal belongings, sensitive client files, and storage materials from public access. Code Handle is easy to install and retrofit. Code Handle protects valuable items in pharmacies, doctors' practices, archives, offices, and many more areas. Share your space, not your belongings.